If you want to pick someone up?
Well, the boat's just cut out on me. Well, not me, but on Roger, and there's Daz going to rescue it. He's just, I wish I took a video of that. He just came along there nice and slow, just popped out of nowhere on his little tinny. Possibly some comedy here. Looks like mission successful.
A quick release on the canopy to get to the.
It's just two.
Yeah, just like butterfly. Oh, yeah, you've got it there.
Gorgeous day as well today for Easter Sunday.
Turn that knob to the left, Darryl. Turn more left or not? This one? Yeah, turn left. There's a lot of water in here. I don't know where it's come from. Is there petrol on the bottom? Or? No, that's water.
Yeah, well, it never tipped over, so it's just purely simply what's
Come in from somewhere. We didn't. We had a bit come in last night. We got the stuffing box around there. There seemed to be a lot more this one. And we actually ran
Quite a bit of river in there.
Oh, really?
Put it back in and I'll hold it while you adjust the idle.
Yeah. Why don't we see if we can find where the water's coming in?
well, how do you do that without putting it in the water?
Oh, you put the boat in the water, just see if it's coming in the stern land or something. There shouldn't be any, that's the only other place to come in, isn't it?
Or the prop plant, the prop shaft.
That's what I think I said. Stern gland, prop
Oh
shaft.
yeah, same thing.
Full route, yeah.
All of the drop there, sketch you.
Oh, we'll just see if we can see what's coming in.
Anyone place that couldn't come in. Well, it could be one of the leads. Water pipes. Are they have the burnt through on the exhaust or anything there, are they?
Well, I don't see that unless it's running. It doesn't look like it. It's hot, but then again, it's supposed to be hot because it's running into.
Yeah, we're on the side there.
water coming in. Oh, there's
I
just
can see a
drip
drip
right
there.
here. Out there. Out the gland.
Well, maybe that gland can be too tight, I think. Because it's probably if it comes in the static, probably it's been throwing the water around by the look of it.
It's still coming. It's still dripping up there, but I don't think the.
So once it's up in the plane, that's higher than the water level anyway.
But it might come up the prop shaft.
Well,
It's coming out that. It's coming out the gland.
Well,
And whether that's a gland or a join, I don't know.
when I took the top off it, that was all covered in water. Oh, you need a couple of small shifters.
There's a 4-inch shifter in the plastic container. I tightened it up as much as I could. But
It was loose, was it?
I could tighten it just a little. It's a flexible steel shaft running in a plastic tube. So there has to be a piece of that bit of clearance in that. If there really that much more chemical that would have to be used. I think it said this was in
Good half it. It's like